Picture this. You're 65 years old. You're not rushing to work. You're not checking a bank balance with anxiety. You're not wondering if you waited too long. And the reason has nothing to do with luck, inheritance, or a six-figure salary. It comes back to one decision you made decades earlier. A decision involving a number so small most people would laugh at it. $13,720. That's it. Not a typo, not a trick, not a hypothetical. $13,720 invested at age 20 can quietly turn into over $1 million by retirement without adding another dollar. And once you understand why, you'll never think about money the same way again. Let's slow down and actually unpack this, because it sounds impossible at first. How could $13,720, barely more than a used car, ever become $1 million? The answer isn't hustle. It's not stock picking. It's not some secret strategy only rich people know. It's time. If you invest $13,720 at age 20 and leave it alone until age 65, that's 45 years. Assuming a 10% annual return, which is the historical long-term return of the S&P 500, that single investment grows to over $1 million. No monthly contributions, no extra deposits, no constant effort. Just letting the market do what it's done for generations. Here's the part that should really sink in. For 45 years, you wouldn't need to save or invest a single additional penny. You could stop completely, and you'd still retire a millionaire. Not because you're smarter than anyone else, but because you started earlier than almost everyone else. This is why your 20s are financially unfair, in the best possible way. Time gives you leverage that no amount of income can replace later. Most people don't realize this until it's gone. Now compare that to starting later. At age 30, you'd need $35,585 to hit the same $1 million mark. At age 40, you'd need $92,296. Same investment strategy, same market returns. The only thing that changed was time. You didn't lose 10 years of saving. You lost decades of compounding. This is why the idea of being a millionaire by 30 is so misleading. It sounds impressive, but it misses the point. The real flex isn't having money early. It's giving your money time to work. Here's a healthier goal for your 20s. Don't aim to be rich. Aim to be positioned. If you can get close to 1x your annual income invested by 30, you're already winning. At the U.S. median individual income, around $45,000, that lines up shockingly well with what compounding actually requires. And let's be clear about something important. You don't need to save $1 million to become a millionaire. You need to invest enough early so your money grows into $1 million over time. That's the difference between effort and leverage. Now, let's be realistic. Most people aren't going to invest $13,720 all at once at age 20. Life doesn't work like that. You have rent, school, food, mistakes. That's normal. The point isn't the lump sum. The point is the timeline. This is where real-world investing actually happens. You invest gradually. You dollar-cost average. Every paycheck, you invest a little. When markets are up, you buy. When markets are down, you buy. When headlines scream panic, you buy. Not because you're fearless, but because volatility is normal. And over long periods of time, it's rewarded. The best strategy for most people is a low-cost S&P 500 index fund. No guessing which company will win, no trying to outsmart professionals, no watching charts all day, just owning a small piece of the entire U.S. economy. Historically, that's been enough.
And yes, markets crash. They always have, they always will. But here's what history shows over and over again. Crashes don't ruin long-term investors. Quitting does. Every major downturn looks catastrophic in the moment and insignificant in hindsight. Time shrinks fear. This is the quiet reality most people never hear. Wealth isn't built by dramatic moments. It's built by boring consistency. There's no applause for setting up automatic investments, no viral post for staying invested during a downturn. But one day, you wake up and realize your money is working harder than you ever could. And if you're watching this thinking, I'm already behind, take a breath. This isn't about guilt. It's about direction. Starting at 21 beats 25. Starting at 25 beats 30. Starting at 30 beats never. Progress compounds too. Here's the truth that changes everything. Every dollar you invest today is a worker you hire for your future. And when you're young, those workers have decades to produce results. The earlier you hire them, the longer they work for you. $13,720 at age 20 won't impress anyone tomorrow. But quietly, relentlessly, it can change the rest of your life. And once you understand that, you stop chasing shortcuts, you stop panicking over headlines, and you start playing the long game. Because time is the most powerful asset you'll ever own. And right now, you have more of it than you think.